Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio 4D. This is my first iPhone ever, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is very, very crazy. This is Pacific Blue and it's amazing. Bro, what I think about this phone 3 days later, this is what I want to talk to you. Before doing this, let me show you the design. The new design of this Apple. Damn! It's so nice, bro. So beautiful, but I have not bought this phone because of design. I bought this phone because of this amazing 4K 60 camera. There are four camera here and four camera in the frontal camera. You repeat one camera 4K with a frontal camera. You can recording on 4K 60 FPS jacks like that. It's crazy. I have 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB in the internal storage. Now I have almost 90, 90, almost 100 GB in the internal storage available. Bro, it's very, very beautiful. It's very, very, very nice. I never seen a phone like that. I use Samsung Galaxy every day, but this is another dimension. Do you believe this? Do you believe this? I'm so impressed today. I don't know how to say. Wow. Well done, Apple. Well done. Now, look at when you want to take this phone. Look at the size of this phone and my finger. Look at it's so small. It's so fine. And you have this phone now. Do you believe this? Do you believe this from Apple? Damn! Look at that. Jesus is Lord. The head-on is just unbelievable. The border is so shine. Yes, this is the last iPhone ever and the biggest screen ever. Look at that. The most biggest screen of iPhone today, bro. This is so big. Look at the head-on. When you want to put your finger here, nah, you can don't touch your border and unlock your phone with it like that. Do you believe this? This is so impressive. So impressive. Bro, if you want to buy this phone, if you have money for that, because it's expensive. But if you have money for that, I recommend you definitely to buy this phone. It's big, it's amazing, and it's fast. 3 days later, what I want to to say to you, the thing I want to say to you right now that is this phone is so big, it's so fast, it's so powerful, it's so useful. There are there are 3D IDA scanner here, bro, and it's working. 4K 60 FPS of all of this camera and 4K 60 FPS in the front camera. You can record in slow motion on 60 FPS. This is so crazy. This is so crazy. And you can put this phone in your table just like that. Just like that. And what? Do you believe this? Do you? This is so impressive. This material is definitely amazing. Amazing. It's just amazing. It's unbelievable. I don't know. I don't know. The CPU and the processor, The CPU and GPU is so crazy. This is the last and amazing processor for iPhone, for Apple. This is R14 Bionic. Do you believe this? When you exporting videos, this phone is so fast. I don't know how to tell you how this phone is very, very good. And look at very well. Jesus is Lord. Look at, bro. This is what I'm talking about. Damn. Okay. Now, let me take my phone. Just like that. Oh, so beautiful. So nice on my hand. Look at here. You have this two amazing speakers and USB Type C. Crazy. Look at this screen. Look at this screen. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. And the screen don't take scratch. And the back cover, you can see here, don't take fingerprint. Don't take fingerprint. The fingerprint is just in the border. Look at, okay, here. You can see the fingerprint here, here. Do you believe this? Even in the power button, because fingerprint, look at, oh Jesus, fingerprint, but you can clean this with your clothes. Just like that, you can clean this with your clothes. Just like that, and now look at that. Not bad. You can clean this easily. You can clean this easily. Oh God. You are beautiful. The Face ID is fast. Just fast. The autofocus of this camera is also fast. This is like zoom optic. Zoom optic. Jesus Christ. Now, let's turn on this phone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Apple, what are you doing? What can I do? How many times I can press this button to what is here? Look at that. Woohoo! The boot is so fast. Do you believe this? Do you believe this? It's so fast, very, very, very fast. Let's try again. Are you ready? Okay, get ready. Stay ready. Okay. Okay, press the power button. Press the power button. Okay. Oh, what are you doing? Press the power button. No way. Where are you? Press the power button. Okay. It's here. Apple is here for you. Oh my God. Look at that. It's so fast. The boot is so fast. And look at how big is it. Look at how big is it. When you want to work with your phone, you want to touch something like that, do what you want. Look at when you can't put your finger here under directly like a small version. Do you believe it? You need absolutely, okay, when you are here, where you don't like that, you need absolutely to move your hand like that, just like that under, and do something like that to open. Oh, it's not easy. And look at, let me put my code. Do you believe this, bro? Do you believe this, brother? And his hand. Damn. Damn. Look at that. Look at that. Look at how it's so nice. Look at how it's so unbelievable, with so much features, so much things, bro. I have installed applications. I have installed so much things, yeah. As you can see on this screen, even a pro camera that I have bought Jesus Christ! I bought camera today with my money. This is almost $10. Jesus, why? Look at that. But this is a pro camera that I want to test in the next video. Okay? Pro camera. Amazing pro camera. I bought this phone to record video. Now I'm ready. Look at what his face. Get ready for the next video. I will make the test review of this camera. I took some videos, I'm recording some video, frontal camera, back camera, and photo. I will show you all of this in the next video. Don't forget to come right now and watch this video. On the end of this video, maybe I will put this video directly in this screen. You can click and watch the video, what I have done with this. Look at when you want to take, for example, FaceTime or calendar. No, your hand, you need to move first one here, move again. It's so difficult to use this one with one hand, bro. You need two hands. Yo, Jesus Christ. Oh. Look at the camera. This is the camera of Samsung. Okay, not bad. You have all of this working very well. I like more this thing because you can record in it, you can change 4K, change 60, 30, directly like that. This is nice. So this is nice. Okay, good, good, good. The photo also is so beautiful. So much features that you can discover it by yourself with this thing. Jesus Christ. Damn. Look at the face ID. Look at the face ID. Now, let me show you something. Look at lock screen, face ID, very, very fast. Again, let's test again. Face ID is so fast. Is so fast. Is so fast. Look at with our face ID, you need. Oh my God, it's so fast! I never seen a phone very fast like that, bro. This phone is definitely very, very, very good, very, very, very fast. I never seen something like that, and his size is so big, so big for me. I want to cry. I want to cry. Jesus, no. The settings is very, very good. Look at all of this. Okay, okay, okay. This is what is not 120 hertz. This is just 60 hertz, and it's good. I not bought this phone because of this, of CCS or refresh rate. I bought this phone because of camera 4K 60 FPS in the frontal camera. It's just like just for this. I bought this phone. His screen is big, it's good size, amazing size. Okay, thank you, Jesus. But I want the camera, and I put my money into for that. Yeah, and I bought the new camera today. My God, thank you. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and get ready for the next video for camera test. Okay, for pro camera test. Look at how it's so nice. I like it. Okay, you can put this in the table easily. Wow, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, let me show you my face. This is my face, my beautiful face. Don't forget to support our channel, bro, for more amazing videos. I love you. All. Look at what I bought. Look at what I bought. I bought amazing as you call 3G also. For work, to work, bro. And my beautiful mouse, give me mouse. And my new iPhone to use the camera to make amazing videos. Ha ha ha. Get ready. As you can see, so nice, beautiful. And I'm recording this video with my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Thank you for watching.